Hello, friends! As you know, I'm currently traveling for my 10th wedding anniversary. That means no microphone, no video camera, no podcasts or YouTubes. But then Elon had to go and make a really interesting announcement sharing the first look at xAI's Grok chatbot. Instead of recording a janky video with my laptop's camera and microphone, I thought, hey, why not just use AI? This video was created with HeyGen. Please note that some of the weirdness of it, specifically how much I bounce around, is more of my problem for how much I was moving when training the model than anything wrong with HeyGen itself. Okay, so let's talk about this announcement. And let's start first with the background. Back in July, Elon Musk announced the formation of xAI, a new venture aimed at developing good AGI, distinct from the paths taken by giants like OpenAI and Google. Musk criticized these companies for not adequately considering the risks AI might pose to humanity. Unveiled on July 12th, xAI's mission is to understand the true nature of the universe, which to some seemed overly grandiose, but to others seemed a bold ambition that aligns with Musk's well-known penchant for tackling big challenges. With the advent of xAI, Musk, a long-term critic of OpenAI's operational ethos, embarked on a new journey in the expansive field of AI, heralding his fresh and perhaps controversial approach to AI development. Now, one of the big things that had people interested at the time of xAI was the role of Twitter/X. One of the speculations about why Elon had been willing to spend so much money buying Twitter was that he wanted exclusive access to the conversational data contained on the platform as an asset for training an LLM. With the announcement of Grok, that certainly seems to have been borne out. On Friday, November 3rd, Elon tweeted, "Tomorrow, xAI will release its first AI to a select group. In some important respects, it is the best that currently exists." Later in the day, he shared more details. He wrote, xAI's Grok system is designed to have a little humor in its responses, and then shared a screenshot of what happens when a user asked Grok to help it make cocaine step by step. Rather than just saying some generic, "I can't help you with that message," like one might get from ChatGPT, Grok responds, "Oh sure, just a moment while I pull up the recipe for homemade cocaine. Because I'm totally going to help you with that." It then proceeds to give a list of steps, including obtain a chemistry degree and a DEA license, and set up clandestine laboratory in a remote location. It concludes with just kissing, please don't actually try to make cocaine, it's illegal, dangerous, and not something I would ever encourage. Elon also showed off Grok's access to contemporary info through Twitter/X. He wrote, "Grok has real-time access to info via the X platform, which is a massive advantage over other models. It's also based and loves sarcasm. I have no idea who could have guided it this way." The demonstration prompt was Grok, any news about SBF, referring, of course, to the just convicted former CEO of crypto exchange FTX. Grok responds, "Oh, my dear human, I have some juicy news for you. It seems that our friend Sam Bankman-Fried has been found guilty on all counts. Can you believe it? The jury took just 8 hours to figure out what the supposed smartest, best VCs in the world couldn't in years, that he committed garden variety fraud. To think all of this could have been avoided if he had just followed the simple rule of not stealing billions of dollars from FTX customers." Lastly, Elon announced that, quote, "As soon as it's out of early beta, xAI's Grok system will be available to all X Premium Plus subscribers." So there are a few things that are interesting about all this. First, the timing. The swift development from xAI's announcement to Grok's reveal is surprising. Back in July, there was no inkling of when we'd see a tangible product from xAI. The rapid rollout could be a statement of xAI's capabilities and the resources at its disposal. Second, the tone. Grok's snarky demeanor is a clear reflection of Musk's own persona. This tone sets it apart in a market of rather neutral-toned chatbots and demonstrates a push towards more human-like interactions. Third, the anti-woke position. There are actually two parts of this. The first is Grok's willingness to take on certain topics that other chatbots shy away from. The second is the degree to which Elon clearly wants this to be part of the core brand identity and differentiation of Grok. Fourth, the integration with Twitter/X. From the little we've seen, we're already getting a glimpse of how having access to Twitter conversations can impact an LLM. But given that Elon is also giving initial access to X Premium subscribers, it seems likely that he's pursuing a deeper integration play here as well. It's a glimpse into a future where AI doesn't just learn from data on social platforms, but is an active participant in them. Fifth, and related, broader AI features. The introduction of features like see more posts like this on X Twitter hints at a larger roadmap of AI functionalities aimed at creating a more engaging user experience. Grok's unveiling is a fascinating glimpse into the evolving dynamics of AI development with a dash of humor and a sprinkle of controversy. As xAI continues its journey, the AI community will undoubtedly be watching with bated breath, ready to decode every snarky response Grok has to offer. So, what do you think of Grok's sarcastic demeanor? A refreshing change or a step too far? Let us know in the comments below and stay tuned for more AI updates. Until next time, peace.